Welcome to Biomeitez. In this video, we are going to see about the basics of Python. So let's see what is Python. Python is an interpreted high-level general purpose programming language. The word interpreted defines that it is not necessary to manually compile the program before executing, which means that Python will compile it on runtime. So anyone can ask me that why should I use Python? Well, there are many reasons, but the main reason what I will say is that it is very friendly and very easy to learn, and it is an open source tool that anyone can use it. So next, who can use or when can I use this Python? Basically, Python can be applied for almost all kind of domains like web and internet development, database access, desktop GUIs, scientific and numeric field, education, network programming, software and game development. To support all these kinds of domain, there is a repository like Python Package Index which hosts thousands of third-party modules. How to download and install Python? We will provide the download link in the description box so that you can download the required version. There are two major versions that they are Python 2 and Python 3. My personal recommendation would be to use any version above Python 3.5 since Python 2 support is already stopped by the community. And while installing, please make sure to select the option Add Python to Path, which will of course ease your job. Things to know before start Python coding. Of course, there are a lot of things to know about Python which we will see in our upcoming videos. But the major thing to understand is its indentation. Each block of code should be properly indented as displayed in this image. So, as per software tradition, let's begin by saying hello to the world from Python. I would suggest you to use any IDE like PyCharm, but it is not mandatory. Even you can use a notepad. Now, open a file and name it as first.py. Please be careful about .py extension, which is must for Python. So now, let's begin the coding. Start typing the below things in your file and save it. Now, open a command prompt, navigate to the path where you saved the file. Type as below. Now press enter. That's it. So simple, right? So trust me, Python is very simple. Let's modify the code a little bit. Now we will introduce some methods or functions in it. Type the below code as it is. And now execute the file in the similar way. Little confused? Let's break down the code. When Python starts executing the file, it will search for the executable command from the file. So as you see here, print is an executable command which prints the given string. Next, it will call the method say hello and it will go into that function. As you see here, def is a keyword to define method in Python. So it will perform whatever written in that function. Here we are just printing another string. Once that method operation is completed, it will go back to the same line and start looking for further commands to execute. So this is the order of execution in Python. So in this video, we have seen the very basics of Python. So in the upcoming videos, we can see a little exciting stuffs. Please subscribe our channel Biomeitez and stay tuned. Thank you.